Hello guys, it's Sobi again. Got another video for you. This is the one next in the queue. It's a MacBook Air. Let's have a look. 3437. So A1466. I'm gonna put this on my table and let's go through this. Okay, so I got some notes on it. Let's see. I'll read it off cam. Not powering on. Very helpful. Check battery, check charge port, possibly BIOS, logic board related. Oh, that's helpful. So let's get into this. Okay. So first thing we're going to check, we're going to try MagSafe charger. Make sure you always use original chargers. They have all sorts of issues when they're not original. So we're going to see if we get a green light. Plug this in. So no green light. Okay, no green light. Let's get out our multimeter. You guys can see. Okay, so we're going to check first thing. PP3V42, which is usually we can find. Make sure everything's good. Yep, so no PP3V42. No PP bus. Okay. I didn't realize this doesn't have the I/O cable. So what happens when the one wire circuit it's not present, there will be no green light. So on the MacBook Airs, the one wire circuit runs through this flex, so you won't know until you connect the cable. So even then, no green light on the cable. And the charge port, it's plugged in, everything's good. No green light. So we have at the moment a no power, no working machine. So let's check PP bus as well. So open schematic. I'm sorry, I'm doing this off cam because I don't have this set up properly. Hopefully I can get a camera and dual setup and everything. So PP bus, easy to check here. Yeah, so PP bus won't also be there because no PP3V42. So PP3V42 is up here, G3 hot, and obviously it's not there because there's no green light. So what can we try next? Let's have a look. Put our meter in diode mode. Red probe on ground, black on the actual point, over limit, open line, over limit, different ways. That's just not my day, is it? I think these probes are stuffed. Oh, there we go. That's right. That's where it should be. No. Wow, 126. That's not bad. On PP bus. Yeah, that's not too bad as well. So why not a PP bus? Let's go over the board. I'll put this in. Let's get the camera going. Okay, let's switch over the camera. Camera action. Okay, a little bit dodgy, but it's giving me to, hopefully we will upgrade soon. Okay, so that's our webcam microscope cam. So I'll start from this side of the board. You can see a little bit of corrosion there. It's just a test point, that's fine. Board looks really dirty. Dirty as in like dusty dirty. And over here as well. Let's see if we can get you in focus. Some fluff here, some corrosion here. Let's scratch that away. This stuff looks alright. It's alright. Bit of corrosion there. Memory chips. Fluff. So that's 1950 I think it's called. So fluff there too. Okay, so this area doesn't look too bad. Bit of fluff, bit of whatever. Yep, good. This fluff is not so bad, it's the corrosion that sort of eats away. So that's BIOS. Okay, let's have a look, that's fine. ISL 659, good. But these are all different components. Okay, and shaboom. Usually, as suspected, sorry man, around SMC, some really bad corrosion there. So that's that. Let's have a look. Plug circuit. Oh wow, there's some fluff also here. I'm not sure what that's for. Something to do with maybe Thunderbolt. So this side's actually very clean. So the fuse looks good. This fuse almost never ever dies. I'll just test it. You see? Too big. Okay. Let's take my word for it. You'll hear the beep anyway. So yeah, it's beeping, so that's fine. It's crazy how this fuse, you'd sometimes see the whole board like eaten away, corroded, but somehow that fuse never ever dies. I think I've only seen it die like once. Okay, so that's that. And this is a PP3V42 power line, power supply. So the joints look good. That looks good. So obviously we can troubleshoot and start from scratch, but ideally you want to just target what's apparent first and see if that solves the problem, because it solves the problem. You don't have to use your valuable brain power so much. So let's start with this area. This is pretty ugly. I keep forgetting because the light looks much more different, and I get much more light coming through the microscope. I'll crank it up. So see, like when I zoom in this much, it actually very blurry. It's very dark on screen on the camera, but it's crystal clear from my microscope. So if I zoom in a little bit more, that's super dark. So okay guys, we're back again. Where were we? Okay, we're in yes, that's right, SMC 3437. Let's have a look. This is actually not that bad. I don't think these are dead. Actually, that is pretty bad. Let's have a look. A little bit flux. A little bit of flow. Reflow, see what happens. Gotta cook that stuff. Okay, the problem with corrosion is on the surface it may look good, right? Like here. Looks like it's got good contact, yeah, but you only really know once you take it off. See, this one's good underneath. This one looks really good. See, that one looks pretty bad. Okay, let's look at the side. Actually, roll away through it. Take that off. Take that off. That's the basic. Okay. So we could do a before and after, but too much editing, takes too much time. I would actually like to take all my repairs. It's just so much fun. But uploading takes a lot of time. I don't have enough subscribers to actually do live stream because I just started doing some vids. Yeah, so that's that. There we go. So now that area looks very clean. You can see. Now we're gonna put some more fresh flux. Ooh. That's yeah. Not really. Don't eat this stuff, guys. Next minute people are going to be eating flux. Next minute get sued. Send it online. There we go. Check those ones as well. They weren't too bad. I touched them up. So that's that. Let's get some ones from our donor board. Donor board, where are you? Okay. So let's get some from the donor board. Okay, so we've transferred all these ones and we're going to reflow this area because they don't look like they're hanging on. I'll just flop them over, but yep, they haven't attached. Yeah, there you go. So all five are good now. Oh wow, that wasn't even on cam. Nice. So that all of those ones next to SMC are good. For curiosity, I want to see what those lines are actually for. I know I just replaced them, but I'm doing monkey see, monkey do. Flip. Let's have a look. Schematics. Okay, this is for PP3V42. Nice. That would explain why we didn't have PP3V42, and we're not going to have green line if we don't have PP3V42. And this is for SMC VDD. SMC VDD S5 state. These are very important. Okay, nice. So they look like they're good now. I've got a good chance that this will work. And also, remember this guy? Yeah, so let's check what this guy does as well. Okay, so I'm no master at this. I'm learning to 32 U3220. Let's have a look on the schematics. So this is for Thunderbolt connector, as I suspected. So Thunderbolt connector might not be working. So what we'll do, firstly, I will pull this off just so it's not shorting anything, and we'll see if we got power, and we'll come back to this guy. First priority is to get power. Once we get power, then we can work on getting all the functionality working on the MacBook. So that's that. Come on little chip. Come on. Okay, I'm going to put that chip aside, and we're going to let the board cool down a little bit until it's not too hot to touch, and then we can see if this board works. Okay, so let's switch back to our desk view. So guys, here you go. I'll zoom in so you can see. That's still quite hot. So while we wait, a little bit of tea. Rate my new Reaper cup. This is from Overwatch. I'm getting all the easy jobs these days. It's really good. Let's go. Ta-da! And we got fan spin. Yay! So it's booting. This green light is there, fan spin is there, and just want to show you so you can see on cam. Can you see that? Oh, you can't see that. Okay, that's better. Wait. Let's zoom out. Taping on my phone. Okay, so most useless backlight for a multimeter. So you can see that. So let's have a look. Of course, this is just for demonstration purposes because we know it's turning on, but let's measure. PP3V42 is now 3.42 volts, which is exactly what we need. And PV bus. Where's PV bus? Okay, PV bus is not there. No PV bus. Okay, so that's just great. Okay. No, my probes are messed up. I love these probes because I sharpened them, but the problem with this is it doesn't plug in properly. As you can see, it's mold. I have really good ones, but they are so thick and it's very hard. So Bus is working, so 8.6 volts, that's where it should be. So this is a working machine, but before we move on, before I put this back, I wanted to go through this Thunderbolt connector. So controller, whatever it is. So I'll put you back over to tighten that, loosen that. I'm just taping off a tripod. It's a bit ghetto, but what do you do? Hopefully I'm going to be getting a webcam soon, so I can do more of this. There we go. Let's clean this up. New solder. Okay, got new solder, fresh solder on there, and we clean it up. Oh, shiny. Okay. So, yeah. Put a tab there. What's that? I see. Okay, so let's put this back on. Okay, so we've got a lot of bolts sticking out. Doesn't sound too good, does it? But we'll go around. Grab that excess solder. Can we fit in there? Yes. So just quickly reflow that quickly. Oh man, I really stuffed this up, haven't I? Oh crap. We'll just have to switch tips. I'm being a little bit lazy, but it can't be lazy. So don't be like me. Okay, so a little bit relaxed. And we're going to go around with this. There we go. So we've got a good connection. That's very good. Good. Completely off screen. Again, sorry. that's all good. Now just quickly reapply. Perfect. 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 Right. Yep. Looking good. As long as nothing's dripping. Yeah, looking good. So I'm pretty happy with that. A bit hard to spray, but no problem. Pretty clean. This will still go through ultrasonics, so I do not like to give boards back with solder everywhere on the board. Okay. Fine. That's done. Again. Four bananas. Yep. Just want to make sure that Thunderbolt chip wasn't actually shorting anything to ground or anything, preventing any other issues. So the rest of the board looked pretty good. So I'll put this into a machine. Let's see if we got display. Okay, let's get this into a system. Bugger it. Just want to see it working. Here we go. 6. Board, put that aside, let's zoom out. I haven't connected the speakers, so we won't hit a chime. Booting, nice. Nice, no display. Okay. No problem. We'll have a look. playing. Oh wow, just about to shine the light to see if it was backlight. It is running. It just took forever because the SSD is not in there, as you can see. I've connected it to external, so it took a while for it to search for it. So I didn't connect keyboard and trackpad. It's a bit finicky because the board still needs to get washed, and once we wash it, we run it through ASD because these are the older ones. We still have access up until 2015 models. ASD, for those who don't know, is Apple System Diagnostics, and it's a very good low-level testing tool that Apple uses. Cough, cough. I don't know where it got where to get it from. You can Google online. So yeah, that's supposed to be booting. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Wow. Did it boot? Or did it die? So it did boot. Unfortunately, no, as I said, no keyboard and mouse to test, but you can see it's a complete working system. This one was not even powering on, so another happy MacBook. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.